Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will do technical analysis of Novo Nordisk, and the reason I chosen this stock because it has fallen a lot for last 1 month, and I think this is the best time to do technical analysis, and I will see what my models say we should buy or we should wait. So friends, if you have not seen my earlier video, this model has been developed through regression algorithm, and I have a video regression on my channel that explains how these columns and this model has been designed and calculated. So I will recommend, if you see this video, you will understand all my videos because it is designed discussed on this model. So friends, we have trend direction TD column that defines down, trend is down, or trend is in the up direction. And we have TD1, it is the second layer on top of this trend, which define whether the price is closed below or above the previous price. If it close above the previous, then it's up. If it close below the previous, then it's down. So that's how I calculate these. And this model price, it is calculated through regression. And friends, we have a lot of material on regression on internet. You can see we have also RSI and relative volume that I normally use for data analysis. So friend, let's see where Novo Nordisk is and we should buy or we should wait. So we can see that the price has fallen a lot from 13th of December. You can see it's fallen from 750 till now 581, and it's still in the downtrend. Because why it's in the downtrend? Because the model price is falling. So model price at that day it was 65, 565, 558, 49, 45, 40. So now it's consolidating. You can see price is stuck. The distance between the following price is getting narrow and narrow. So this is the signal or that this stock is getting reverse. The signal is going to upstart. Soon we have signal up in the up direction. So you can see model when the price was falling heavily, we have also down 16, 5, 97, 88, it's almost 10 kron difference on each. But here now it's very narrow, 49, 45, and now it's same 45. And here price is also going up, but it happened for last 2 days. I will wait, I will not buy, but it is the signal that stock is bull is now involved in these. They are buying, bull are buying, yeah, and they will not let this stock down at some point. And we can see here, you can see the chart. This is orange is the closing price, and we have our regression line model price, and you can see the closing price is above the regression line, which is the signal of stock will get reverse. It will go into the up direction, but we don't know still. We have to wait because at that point it will consolidate and regression line will bend somewhere here in up direction. So now when the regression line is in the 45 angle, then this is the time I will look at and make some position. But at that time it will be 100% sure where stock is going. But right now I'm not sure. Maybe it fell somewhere. If we check Maersk, it happened same with Maersk because it's fallen for 14-15,000 back to 9,000. You can see here it fallen same like Maersk, and it consolidated. It went up, but it was up above the regression line, but price was falling because regression was going down, down, down. But at that point the price consolidated and regression line was also in form to consolidate, yeah. And at some point the regression line change its angle to 30-45, you can see, and then price and regression move in up. So I have to wait this kind of signal, this kind of pattern in no Nordics. It's the same here, same pattern with the Maersk and no Nordics because Maersk also fallen heavily at that point. So it is the signal is that it will soon reverse, no notice. And if we look at the weekly chart, friends, you can see it is down from July. The model was suggesting from July that first time it went down, 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 down. It is in the down. But right now you can see on weekly basis it's the model price and closing price. This distance is getting narrow. It's where you can see it's 15 distance, 45. Yeah, it was huge fall of no notice, yeah, due to failure medicine test. But you can see here we are getting narrow and narrow. So I think this is the time we should wait. We should wait. And you can see this weekly chart. It's also regression line is above and moving closing price is below the regression, and that's why I have to wait. When the closing price crosses regression, then this is the time I have to look at and make some entries. You can see whenever regression line crosses closing price crosses regression line, we have bullish signal. We have bullish signal, and it lasts for almost 2 weeks, 2 months, June and January and February. This is 2 months. So here I have to wait. If stock is in the closing price crosses this regression line, then I will see and make some entries. But right now I have to wait. But it seems that soon no notice will move into the up signal, or it will consolidate around 580 and 560. It will price will remain in this range for 1 to 3 weeks, and then it will come again to 600. This can also happen, and this has happened here. We can see that it consolidated. It was up down up down up down, and then it moved. So we have this, we can see same scenario here in Novo Nordics also. It will consolidate for 2 3 weeks. This is 3 week pattern. And if we look at the moving average of 1 year, so right now we are at the moving average 5, so it's very close to the closing price of 581. So friends, this is for today. Thank you. We will see in the next